Hello everyone and welcome back. We're Shauna and Theo Sumler of sATrip Travel Agency, also known as Theo and Shauna Adventures. We're here on the beautiful island of Cozumel. We're sailing on the Jubilee. It's a beautiful, magnificent ship. Well, you'll see soon that we're heading back to port, and we decided to pick up a biker. We hitchhiked, you guys. Well, we took the easy way out in this hot sun. Why not? Saves a little bit of walking, a little bit of heat. Well, as soon as we get back to the ship, we'll refresh and we'll come back with more. Next up, we'll show you our beautiful cabin that we lived upon for the week. Welcome aboard. We are on the Carnival Jubilee and our room number 9290. And we enter into our suite for the week. And here we are. Nice makeup mirror. Smile. Nice closet space. Good shelving for your items. Safe. I love the shelves for the shoes. Here we have closet space for our robes, other items. And here, it's our bed. Okay. Ciao for now. As they say, bon voyage. And we walk into the sitting area. And I think they've done a nice job with this suite. I love the extra space, the privacy, if one should need it. There's a pull-out bed if one should need it, but we do not. And here we're going out into the balcony. Ta-da! And way across the way is a battleship. And here, that is called the Battleship Texan, or Texas. I'm told that it was part of World War I, II, Normandy, and a few other historical places of military interest. Once again, we are in Galveston. And the areas below are called Havanas. Oh, look at the birds sailing away. Again, we're on the 9th floor. Now just take a look at how high this goes. My goodness. And as I pan the camera, ahead of me is the Carnival Dream. And again, look at the height on this ship. That's all for now. I'll be back with more later. Stay with us.